So after oiling the granite pieces, I probably should have came out and wiped off the excess on the polished side, because the oil can only sink in so far. It's not real super porous, and it left a coating on the outside which was a little bit tacky, so I didn't want that there. And I had forgot to wipe off the excess, which might have solved that problem, or maybe it wouldn't have totally anyways. Like maybe 24 hours after putting the oil on, I could have wiped off the excess on the top. The edges are fine. Those would be fine anyways. Could have wiped off, but they feel okay. But so what I did do, and you can see the effect right here if the lighting is just right. There's a film on it. So it's really not too hard to just razor blade and take any excess off. So it's more of a polished finish, and it's not tacky at all. So that's what I did. It's real easy to do. So it's not a big deal. So I'll finish this one. I already did this side here, and then we'll put the legs on next. But just thought I should make that point. If you have excess, if you use linseed oil on the granite, you may need to take off the excess with a razor blade if it's a polished. Well, any oil you could do that. So it should still be sealed because the pores should be taken up, so it should be good and sealed. And beautiful pieces.